O, O, and AO is equals to 7 centimeter. Means this is being given to you that it is equals to that it is the 7 centimeter. Means the diameter of the smaller circle is equals to 7 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. So how can you find the area of the shaded region? So you can simply calculate the area of this one, this circle, okay, plus area of this semicircle, area of this semicircle minus area of this triangle, area of this triangle. So how can you find out the area of the shaded region? So you can write here the area of shaded region would be equivalent to area of a smaller circle माइनस करेंगे हम लोग इसमें से व्हाट सॉरी प्लस करेंगे इसमें हम लोग एरिया ऑफ सेमी सर्कल okay, semicircle means this area of this bigger one, okay, semicircle DCB, you can say DCB minus area of triangle area of triangle DCB. So we will get the area of the shaded region. So how can we find the area of this smaller circle? That is by pi. You know that if the diameter of the circle is this one is 7 and this one would be also 7. Okay, so if the both are 7, this one is 7 and this one is 7, so this is the diameter for the circle. So we can say the radius of this one will be 7 by 2. So you can write here pi into, or you can write here pi into first let me write it, that is r by 2 square. R is the actually the we are considering that the radius is this one, okay, this is r and this is also the r, so I'm writing here r by 2 square. For this one I'm writing here r by 2 square minus, sorry, plus area of semicircle will be, that will be pi r square by 2, because r we are assuming that here r is equals to 7 centimeter, okay, and why divided by 2? Because we are just calculating the area of the semicircle only, area of the semicircle minus area of this actually this triangle would be, because this is the 90 degree. I have told you that whenever circle is having 180 degree at the center, sorry, whenever chord is having 180 degree at the center, then it will be going to have 90 degree at the circumference. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Sorry, this is the theorem that if a circle or if a chord is making an angle x, अगर कोई chord जो है center पर angle x बना रही है, so at the circumference that chord will be making x by 2 angle. So if it is 180 degree, so this will be 90 degree, half of this one. So we can say that the area of the triangle would be simply area of the triangle will be equal to half into base. What is the base? Base is actually 7, means r plus r. This means that this is r and this is the also r, and here this is also r, this the height is also r, okay, so dono r hai. So here it is r plus r, this is the actually the base, and into r, so that would be equivalent to, you can write it pi r square by 2, sorry, pi r square by 4. So because when you open this bracket, okay, when you open this r square, so it will become 4 here, okay. So let me write it again. So you can write it pi r square by 4 plus pi r square by 2 minus half into this r plus r will get 2r and this r will get r square, okay. So now further solving this one, now writing the value, on writing the value, you can simply calculate these. How can you calculate the values of this one? This is just simple. Now take the now just simple put the value that r is 7 here, so you can write here r into 7 square means 7 into 7, or you can write the value of pi also. That is 22 by 7 into 7 upon 4 plus that would be 22 by 7 into 7 divided by okay, divided by 2 here, 22 by 7 minus half into 2 into 7 into 7. Okay, now you can calculate the value here. This one 7 and 7 will get cancelled out here. Okay, so you will get here 22 into 7 divided by 4 plus this 22 by 7. So 1 7 and 7 will get cancelled out here again. So you will get here 22 into 7 divided by 2 minus half. This half and half will get cancelled out here, minus 49. Okay, now taking the LCM inside, you can write it like this way. This would be 7 154, or you can calculate it by, you can divide it by here 11, and this will be 2. So that would be 77 upon 2 plus that would be, again you can cut it here. Okay, and when you cut it, you will get also 77 minus 49. Okay, so when you divide 77 minus 49, you would get minus subtract करेंगे आप इसको, तो you will get here 28. Okay, 28, yes, 28. So here you will get 22. So you will get 77 divided by 2 plus 28. So 77 divided by 2 plus 22. 77 half is actually that would be 78.5. Okay, that would be 78.5 plus 28.0. So you'll get 5, 8 to the 16, 1 carry, and then 106.5. That is not the answer in the question. The diameter of the circle is O is equal to 7. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so where we have committed the mistake, let me check. Your answer, what was your answer coming, Kevin? The same answer is coming or not?
I didn't do it. I didn't know how to do it.
You have not done this one. So let me check it once more time. So here we have AB is the diameter of the circle, and we have O is equal to 7. The find the area of the shaded region. So area of the shaded region will be the area of the semicircle. That would be R by 2, because it is 7 is the diameter. Sorry, 7 is the AO. Yes, AO is 7 here. AO is 7 here. So if AO is 7 here, then the radius of, so let me check it fast. Okay, so the radius of this one would be how much? That would be 7 by 2. So first of all, we are going to calculate this area. So this area will be 22 by 7 into, this is actually, this whole is 7 here. So this would be 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So you get this 2 and will get cancelled out. You will get here 11. And here this 7 and 7 will get cancelled out. So you will get 77 by 2. That would be 36. Sorry, 38.5. 38.5. Okay, so this is 38.5. Now you need to calculate the area of this shaded region. How can you calculate the area of this shaded region? Is just you need to calculate the 38.5. Okay, now you need to calculate the area of this shaded region. So area of this shaded region will be, sorry, this will be pi r square. So by 2 means semicircle का area निकाल लेंगे पहले हम लोग. This semicircle area will be pi r square by 2, and that would be 22 by 7 into r. The value of r is 7 and 7. So 7 and 7 will get cancelled out, and we have to divide it by 2 also. Why? Because this is the semicircle, so we have to divide the area by 2. So this will be pi square by 2, and then we get the cancel, we will get 77. Here we get 77. हाँ, तो गलती मेरे से वही है ना, तो ये इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं किया मैंने ना, कहीं मैंने सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं किया है. What I did is एक minute. What I did it? I only add. Oh, that's my mistake here. I add 77 by 77.8 and with 28. No, I have to add these two, and that would be 36. 38.5, 38.5 plus 28.5, 28.5. Then it will give you the answer. Please calculate this one. Hello. Hello, sir. Please. Got it. The answer would be when you add these two. Okay, I was just what I did. I don't know what I did. Why I add this 78.5? This is 38.5, and I have calculated this one where? Here, this will be 38.5. So when I add this to it, this will be simple giving me. That's all the calculation mistake. Okay, so you can write here 5, 8 to 16, 1, and then 66.5. 0.5 would be the correct answer. C would be the correct answer. Got it?
Okay, sir.
So please copy this one.
Okay, sir.
Hello Tanishka, how are you? Happy Diwali.
Good evening, sir. Happy Diwali.
Are you celebrating? मजा आ रहा है? कल तो तुम बिल्कुल दिखोगे नहीं यहाँ पे. कल कोई क्लास भी नहीं होगी.
Okay, sir.
Festivals have equal importance, so we shall be having. Okay. So please copy this one, and let's do the next questions. Asila, in the previous class, were you having the internet issue? I was watching you that you have मतलब 15 मिनट पहले शायद आपने क्लास को.
Yes, sir. And it was not coming, sir.
Okay. So if I'm asking tomorrow, do you have any doubt regarding, so we can have the extra class for you, because we know that the main class will not, there will be no main class. So if you have any doubt class, any topic that you want to study specifically, so we can have the doubt class for you. If you want, do you want Kevin and Asita, both I am asking for you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
What time? What time?
We will be going to inform you on your contact number. Okay, on your parents.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Done?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, copy it.
I'm done, sir.
Done? Okay. Let's move further to the next questions that we were. Have you done all the questions, Tanishka and Asila? I have give you the assignments. So have you done this one? This from this worksheet?
Not yet, sir.
Okay, so let's do. Kevin, you have you done this?
Yeah. Yes, sir. I did.
All?
I did up to 7. Yeah, 7.
Up to 7. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the difference between the circumference and the radius of a circle is 37. The circumference and the radius find the area of the circle. So how can you do this one? So let's try this question, please. What is your answer, Kevin, of question number 6?
24.649 centimeters.
That is not in the option. Acha, okay.
24.
Sorry. 24.64.
64.
A.
Yes, A.
Okay. And that of 6?
For 6 154 centimeters square.
154. C. So let's do this question. So difference between the circumference and the radius is 37. So it is being given to us that the difference between the circumference. Okay. So let me write it. Difference between the circumference means 2 pi r minus r is equals to 37. It is being given to you, and you need to find out the value of pi r square. So you can easily calculate the value of actually the value. Means you need to find out the value. You can easily calculate the value of r from this one. So the value of r would be, take the r as common, and you will be able to write here pi minus 1 is equals to 37, and the value of r is actually or let you write it by it will be more better if you write it in the form. So write it like 2 into 22 by 7 into r minus r. R minus r is equals to 37. Now calculate the value of r. So you will be able to calculate the value of r. How you will be able to calculate? That would be that is 44 upon 7. R minus r is equals to 37. So take the LCM as 7 here from here, and then you will be able to calculate that 44r, okay, minus 7r is equals to 37. So this will goes to that side, and it will become 44r minus 7r. How much you will get? You will get the 7 minus 4. You will get 37. Okay, 37.
Sir, you're not
37.
showing.
Oh, I'm not showing. Sorry. That would be 37. Okay, so 37 is equals to 37 upon 7 is equals to 37. So SSM can get cancelled. R is equals to 7. So if r is equals to 7, you can calculate the pi r square. So pi into 7 into 7. So you get 7 get 154 with the correct answer. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this is simple, means circumference is this one minus r, you will get 37, and then solve this one, you can get the value. So Asila and if anyone wants to take the screenshot, can take the screenshot. We will go into the next question. So let's try the next question here. So here the next question is, the circumference exceed its diameter by 16.8. 16.8. So here it is being given to you that the circumference exceed means zyada hai. The circumference exceed its diameter. So we write here the circumference as 2 pi into r minus d is equals to 16.8. So actually this 2r is also the diameter of the circle. So we can write it pi d minus d is equals to 16.8. Okay, because 2r means 2 times of r is equals to d diameter. So we can take the d as common from this one, and it is being asked that calculate its circumference. Now it means the value of 2 pi r is being asked in the question. 2 pi r ki kya value hogi? So that is simple. You need to calculate d is equals to pi minus 1 is equals to 16.8. Okay, so d is equals to how much? That is 16.8 upon pi minus 1. Okay, so now you need to find out the value of what? 2 pi r. 2 pi r. So you can easily find out the value of 2 pi r by putting this value. So actually the circumference is equals to 2 pi r, or we can say 2 pi r, or you can write it pi d. Okay, so here pi into d की जो value है that is 16.18 divided by pi minus 1. Okay, so putting the value of pi, how will you calculate the value of this one? That is 22 by 7 into 16.8 upon 22 by 7 minus 1. How much you will get? You will get what? You will get here 7. I'm just calculating the value of this one. So 22 minus 7. So you will get 15 upon 7, and that 15 upon 7 here. Okay. Now this 22 by 7. Okay. Into 16.8, and this 7 will goes to the numerator. So this will comes in the numerator and into 15. So this 7 and 7 will get cancelled out. So now you need to find out the value of 116.8 upon 15 into 22. So how can you find out the value of this one? So first you need to divide the 16.8 by 15. 16.8 by 15. So 15 ones are 15, then 1, then 1. Okay. And then decimal point, and then 5, 15 ones are 15. So that would be 11 times 11. So that would be 1.1. Okay. So when you want 1.1 is being multiplied with 22. So you will get here 22, 22. So you will get 242. Okay. And then you are going to have a decimal after 1 point. So that would be 24.2 centimeter. Got it? Got it? Or still having some doubt? Got it? समझ में नहीं आया तो दोबारा समझाऊं बेटा?
Yes, sir.
दोबारा समझाऊं? Okay. Okay. So what we need to do here is that we have the pi. Okay. Actually, it is being given in the question. What is being given in the question? That the difference between the diameter and the difference between the diameter and the circumference is actually 116.8. So circumference and diameter. So circumference, you know, it is always greater than the diameter of the circle. So we write here 2 pi r, that is the circumference, minus d, the diameter of the circle, is equal to 16.8. So what I can write here is that when you multiply this r into 2, so you can write it d, means it is the diameter. 2r means 2 times of r means diameter. So we can, instead of writing 2 pi r, I write here pi d. D is the diameter. Minus d is the diameter already. That is equal to 16.8. So I take the d as common from this one. And d, when I take the d as common, you can write it pi minus 1 is equals to 16.8. आप यहीं पर solve कर सकते थे d की direct value. You can calculate the d direct value here. आप यहीं पर solve कर लीजिए pi, and you will get the value here is that 15 by 7 means you can calculate this value. आप यहीं पर solve कर लीजिए. अगर आपको नहीं करना है ऐसे नीचे नहीं लेके जाना तो आप इसको यहीं पे सॉल्व कर लीजिए. मीन सॉल्व इट हियर. सो यू कैन राइट हियर d is equals to 16.8 upon this pi minus 1. Pi minus 1 means 22 by 7 minus 1. Pi means 22 by 7 and minus 1 means minus 1. When you subtract this one, you will get the value 15 by 7. So when you divide it by 15 by 7, so you will get a d is equals to 16.8, and then this 7 will goes to the denominator, sorry, numerator, and you will get this one. So when you divide it, you will get 1.1. So d would be equivalent to 7.7. So this is the diameter. Now, what you need to do here is that you know the circumference of the circle is pi d. Circumference of the circle is pi d. Means if you have the diameter, you need not to write 2 pi r. Just write pi d. So you know the value of pi is 22 by 7, and d you have calculated that is 7.7. So when you divide it, you will get 1.1, and when you multiply these two, you will get 24.2. Now you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move further. Let's move further to the next question. Okay. So here we have the question, next question. So question number 7 we have done. Question number 8. The copper wire, when bent into a form of a square enclosed in an area of 484, the same wire is now bent into the circle. the area of the circle is. So I have told you directly that the ratio of the, if we have their circumference equal, okay. Just you need to understood here one thing, beta. I have done this question so many times that you need to keep in mind here that the area of circle to the area of square, if their circumference is equal, is 14 upon 11, means the ratio of these is 14 upon 11. If ye kab hai, if we have a square and a circle that is going to have the same value, means 4 into side of circle is equals to 2 pi r. Whenever, oh, I have not shown you this, right? So you need to keep in mind here that area of circle to the area of a square is equals to 14 upon 11. 40 means the ratio of the area of the circle to the area of a square will be 14:11, and this I have proved so many times in the previous classes. So you have to keep in mind this one कि अगर हमारे पास कोई सा ऐसा square है that is going to have the same, means square is open and bend into the circle, or a circle is open and bend into the square. So what does this mean? This means their perimeters are equal. What does this mean? Their perimeters are equal. So if we have a circle and a square whose perimeters are equal, so their ratio of their circle to the area of, means the ratio of area of circle to the area of a square will be 14 upon 11. So this we have proved earlier also. No need to do it again here. Okay. So now what you need to do here is that this is being asked, the copper wire is bent in the, if the means it is being given that when the area is bent in the form of a square, the area is 484. So what would be the area of the circle? So you can calculate the area of the circle by putting the value here, that 484 is the area of the square. So you can write here area of square, sorry, area of circle to the area of a square, that is 484, is equals to 14 upon 11. Now they send this to this side, you will get 14 into 484 divided by 11. When you divide by 11, you will get how much? 44. Okay, 44. So when you multiply this 14 by this one, so you will get 616. जब आप 14 की 44 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, you will get 616. Okay, so 616 centimeter square would be the area of the circle whose perimeter is equal to the perimeter of the square. Okay, so C would be the correct option. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it, or still having some doubt?
No doubt.
Okay, now it is being asked in the question that the area of the sector of a circle to the radius is 14 centimeter with central angle 45.
Sir, can I write the answer? The answer, can I write the answer?
Yes, why not? What's your answer? Question
No.
number 9.
The eighth one, the eighth.
I
didn't write the answer for 8.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. You didn't write the answer for the question number. Okay. So do this one.
Okay, sir.
Yes, you're done. Okay. So let's move further. Okay. So let's move further. Solve this one, beta. Do question number 9. Do question number 9. Do question number 9. Find the area of the sector of a circle of radius 14 centimeter with central angle 45. You know the formula of the sector, that is the sector of the area of the sector is theta upon 360 pi r square. So please solve this one. Do question number 9, beta. So that is very simple.
Yes, sir.
That
I'm doing
how much it will be?
almost done, sir.
Almost done. Okay. Tanishka, have you done? And Asila?
Sir, 77.
Hmm? Done.
Sir, option B.
Option B. Okay, let me check. Okay, Tanishka saying 77 meter square. Okay, so let's check.
Sir, I can't hear you.
Okay, so this one is 45. When you divide it, you can simply calculate. This one is that 7 twos are, and you will get 2 here, and this one is 65. You know that 45 90 होता, तो अगर ये 90 होता तो ये इससे डिवाइड होता 4 times. ये 45 है तो ये 8 times डिवाइड होगा. That's simple calculation. No need to use your mind extra. Ones are, and you will get 4 here, and This one is 4, तो 4 इसके 7 को कट कर दीजिए यहाँ से और इसको 22 को ध्यान से. That would be 77. Simple. Got it? सब कुछ कट किया हमने एकदम डायरेक्टली and we got the answer. Okay, so that is the simple questions. Let's move further to the next question. Okay, so that's easy question. Oh, do question number 10. Then we will going to drive a new formula today and we're going to study a different things today. So please do question number 8, question number 9, sorry 10. Do question number 10. Till then I'm going to get you a simple question. Okay, so please do question number 10. Done. Done, beta.
No, sir.
So I think option C.
Option C. Okay, let's check. So it is being given to you that the sector, question number 10, the sector is cut from a circle of radius 20 centimeter and the angle is 150 degree. Find the length of the arc. It is being asked, find the length of the arc. Okay, so if the length of the arc is being found, asked to you, okay, so what you need to do here is that radius is 21 centimeters being given to you, that you have to write the direct formula and you have to get the answer. Okay, so how can you find out the answer directly? So here the angle theta is 150 degree given to you upon 360 into 2 into upon 180. The area length of arc is formula of length of arc formula is equals to theta upon 180 into pi r. So this is 180 into pi. The value is 22 by 7 and r is 21. So this you can cancel out 0, 0. And here you can cancel out 7 ones are 7 threes and 3 ones are and 3 6 are, and this one will be 3 twos are, sorry 2 threes are. Here again you get it 6 are 6 3 is 18. Okay, now you can cut it by 2. Okay, so when you cut it by 2 you will get 3 here and you will get it 11 here, and when you cut it by 11 you will get here 3 5 are 15. So you will get 5 into 11. 5 into 11. Okay, so that would be 55 centimeter. Whatever the means, if the meter is given to you, then it will be the. So do we have the 55 as an option? Yes, we have 55 as an option. Okay, so let's move to the next type of questions that we are going to do and we are going to face in this time. That's very important. Okay, so let's do that question. Give a minute. Let me. Okay. So if I'm having here is okay. So we have this question here and we have to solve this question. Okay, so it is being given to us that the area of a segment AYB shown in the figure, if the radius of a circle is 21 centimeter, find the means you need to find out the area of this segment. Okay, this region you need to find out the area of this segment. Okay, so let's drive the formula for this one. Okay, how can you drive this formula for this one? Whenever you are having some problem regarding to this type of questions, that the area of this segment, so area of segment, what is segment is this one. Means if we are having a sector like this way and it is making a chord here, so this region is called the area of segment. So this is called the segment. Okay, area of segment. So how can we find out the area of segment? So first of all, area of segment can be determined by finding the area of this whole sector first of all, and then subtracting the area of the triangle from it. Means if you find out this area, okay, and then subtract the area of only this one from the whole, then you will be able to find out the area of this sector, sorry segment. यानी कि अगर आप इस पूरे सेक्टर का एरिया निकालें and then you simply subtract the area of the triangle from the sector, then you will be able to find out the area of segment. So I can write here that the area of segment, let's drive the formula for this one. Okay, so area of segment is equals to area of sector minus area of triangle. And how can you find out the area of triangle? Let's talk about it. So area of the triangle is, I can write it like this way, that it is just simple sector. The area, you know, the formula of the sector's area is theta upon 360 into pi r square. This is the formula for the area of sector. Okay, and then area of the triangle. So here you know that this is the angle theta. This is the angle theta, and what would be the area of this triangle is that would be equivalent to this length multiplied by this length. Okay, let me assume this one. If you have this type of triangle, like having this one isosceles triangle, okay, and if you know that this side is r and this side is also r, this side is r, this side is r, because this is 21 and this is 21, so this side is r, and this one is the height for you. So how can you calculate the area of this one? So for this, let's calculate. We know that the area of the triangle is half into base into height, So let's assume this one is O, this one is A, and this one is B. And this one is D. let's calculate the value of OD in terms of R, in terms of R. So you know that that sine theta, the sine theta in trigonometry is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So you can write it as sine theta. Okay. Now the coming to the point here is that we don't know the value of theta here. We don't know the value of theta here. Okay. Theta is actually this angle. Theta will be given to us, that is this angle. And if we are calculating this value, ध्यान से समझना सभी बच्चे, if we know that this is the theta here, this is the theta here, okay, and we are just applying the sine theta for this and this, for this and this, तो theta हम लोग ये वाला मानेंगे, and we don't know the value of this one. So if we only know this value, this theta, then what will be the value of this theta? Let's assume this one. So what can be the value of this theta? We know that, ध्यान समझिएगा सभी बच्चे, मैं थोड़ा सा important derivation आपको एक कराने जा रहा हूँ, that's okay, and that's very important. So let's talk about it. Okay. So if I'm saying that we have this triangle, okay, and we know that this side and this side is R, that is equivalent, and we know that this angle is theta. And since this triangle is an isosceles triangle, means these sides are equal. So whatever the value of this angle and this angle, that will be equivalent. So if I'm consisting that this angle is X, so this will be also X. So if I'm saying that theta plus X is equals to 180. Okay. So you can write here is that 2x is equals to 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta, then X will be equivalent to 180 minus theta divided by 2. 180 minus theta divided by 2. Okay, and that would be equivalent to, means this is the value of X, means the theta of this one, this theta, this value I'm just calculating. Okay, so if I'm writing here is that the value of this one would be, how much? That would be 180 divided minus theta upon 2. So that would be X is equals to 90 minus theta by 2. 90 minus theta by 2. 90 minus theta by 2 will be the value of this one. Okay. And you know that if I'm writing this way, that here if I'm saying that this one is the theta, this one is R, this one is R, and this is the perpendicular that we have drawn here, and we are setting that this is A, this is B, and this is C, and we need to find out the value of this triangle, So what we can write here is that we know that half into AB and OD would be the area of this triangle, So we can write here half into, what is AB? We don't know the value of AB, so we will going to calculate. Let's first calculate the value of OD in terms of R. So if I'm saying that this is theta, then this theta will be 90 minus theta by 2. So if I'm just calculating this value, that अगर ये हमारे पास theta है, तो ये वाला जो value होगी, that would be 90 minus theta by 2. Okay, now in terms of sine, if I'm calculating this one, the sine is equals to sine 90 minus theta by 2 is equals to actually OD upon R. Means this is 90 minus theta is the theta. You know the trigonometry? Have you studied the trigonometry before? Kevin and Asila and Tanishka. Tanishka ने तो पढ़ी है पहले से. But should I explain you this? Means आपको समझ में आ रहा है trigonometry आपने थोड़ी बहुत पहले पढ़ी है? I'm asking beta.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's do this one. So we are having this one, and you know that 90 minus theta is actually equals to cos theta. So that is equals to cos theta. 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta, means 90 minus something, that would be equals to cos theta by 2 is equals to OD by R. So actually OD is equals to R into cos theta by 2 in terms of R. So you can write here OD is equals to cos theta by 2 into R. Okay. And and the value of AB. Now we need to find out the value of AB. So AB, if you need to calculate the value of AB, what would be the value of AB here? What would be the value of AB here? So we can calculate the value of AB just by, you know, that this upon this. Actually AB की value हम लोग को calculate करनी है, तो we can calculate the value of AB because यहाँ पर जो relation है हम लोग को AD का value हम लोग calculate कर लेते हैं, and whatever the value of AD we are going to have, that would be twice of this one. Means AD का value हमारे पास x हुआ तो AB का value हमारे पास 2x होगा. This is simple. So now we know that this angle is theta. So for relation we can write here that AD upon R is cos theta, and here the theta is this one. Here the theta is this one. So we know that we can write here that AD upon R is actually equals to cos 90 minus theta by 2. 90 minus theta by 2, because this upon this is equals to cos. Okay, so what you can write here is that AD upon R is actually equals to, and 90 minus theta by 2 is actually cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta. So here you can write here sin theta by 2. So actually we can calculate that the value of AD is actually equals to R sin theta by 2. R sin theta by 2. Okay, R sin theta by 2. So here we can write here that if we have only calculated the value of AD, so you can simply write it that 2 times AD का जो दो times होगा, so we can write here 2 times of AD is equals to 2 times of this one. So here you can write here that 2AD means AB is equals to 2 into R sin theta by 2. Sin theta by 2. Now we have calculated the area of triangle, that is 2 into R sin theta by 2. Sin theta by 2. Okay. Now this theta by 2 and this theta by 2, you cannot cancel this one. यहाँ से ये R के theta by 2 is, you cannot cancel this one. ये जो theta के नीचे 2 है, आप उसको cancel नहीं कर सकते. You cannot cancel this one. Okay. So, but you can cancel this one and this one. This 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So area of this triangle would be equivalent to R, and R will get here square, you will get R square, and this sin theta into cos theta, sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So that would be the value of this one. Okay, so that would be the value of this one. Okay, the area of the triangle. So now what you can do here is that now we have just calculated the value of triangle. So if we have a sector like this, and we need to find out the area of the segment. So here जब भी हमारे पास यहाँ पे कुछ भी angle हम लोग को दिया होगा, we can simply calculate here is that we have calculated this area of the triangle would be R square sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Okay, so here we can calculate that is theta by the value of theta is actually 120 here. So you can write here 120 upon 360 into pi. Okay, and और simplification के लिए आप इसका r भी common ले सकते हैं. You can take the r square as common. So you can take the r square as common, and you can write here theta upon 360 into pi minus sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Okay, and then you can get here r square. The value of r square is actually 21 into 21 upon 120 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 minus sin theta by 2 means 120 by 2 means sin 60 into cos 60 into cos 60. Okay, sin 60 into cos 60. Okay, so that would be equivalent to half. It means you can write here 441 into this, you can cut it 1 upon 3 and this you can get it, that would be 22 by 7. Okay, so you will get here 22 by 21. 7 3s are 21. Okay, you can get it 7 3s are 21 minus the value of sine 60 is actually root 3 by 2, and that the value of cos 60 is actually 1 by 2. Okay, so what you will get here is 441 is equals to 22 upon 21. 22 upon 21 minus root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4. When you open the bracket, या तो आप इसको यहीं पर छोड़ सकते हैं, you can get this value, otherwise you can solve it further. Got it? नहीं समझ में आया? This is the direct formula that we are having to calculate the value. Sometimes we get confused here. हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा confused हो जाते हैं कि आंसर क्या आएगा. Okay, so let's do this one. One more question हम लोग एक बार और करते हैं, try करते हैं, then okay, will be able to calculate this one. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's try one more questions. Okay, और आप इसको और सिंपल तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं. Means you can simply calculate the value. Means अगर आपको थीटा गिवन है तो simply you can calculate the other way. That this triangle, if it is given to you, that is 21, this is 21. So how can you calculate this area of this triangle is that is actually, this is, if this is 120 degree being given to you, so that would be 30, because remaining 120 में से आप minus करेंगे इसको, so that would be 60 बचेगा. 180 में से minus करेंगे तो you will get 60, and 60 को इस तरह से divide करना कि बराबर इसमें भी आए बराबर इसमें भी आए, तो 30 30 आ जाएगा हमारे पास. So we can calculate this its altitude by using this sine 30. That sine 30 is equals to OD upon OD upon AB. So you can write here half is equals to OD is actually you need to calculate, and AB you know that is 21, so you will get here 21 by 2, the value of OD. Okay, and now if you need to calculate the base, the value of OD you have calculated, the value of base, the base means AD and DB. So you know that the relation between this and this is actually cos, so you can write here AD upon AO is equals to cos 30, and that will be equal to root 3 by 2 is actually equivalent to AD. AD you need to find out, and AO is 21 is being given to you, so that would be AD would be equivalent to this one, that will be 21 root 3 by 2. ये हमारे पास आ गया एक फॉर्मूला. अब आपको क्या करना है, nothing you need to do here is that you know the value of AD and OD. So half into base into height से आप इसका एरिया निकाल लीजिए ट्रायंगल का. So area of segment will be equivalent to theta upon 360 into pi r square minus half into AD into OD. So you can write here 120 divided by 360 into 120 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into r. The value of r is actually 21 into 21 minus half into AD. AD is actually, you have calculated it is 21 by 3, and OD is actually, you have calculated it is 21 by 2. 21 by 2. So now you can calculate the value. This is 1 upon 3, and you will get here 7 3s are 21, 3 7s are 21, and 21 get cancelled out. You will get here 22 into 21 minus half into you will get here 44. 441 divided by, this is actually, this will come 2 into 2 4 root 3. So you can write here 4 root 3. So upon may 4, okay, and this minus sign will also get subtracted. So we'll get here 441 upon root 3. So for rationalizing, you can subtract this one, okay. इंटू √3 से आप यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, √3 से आप यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. So you will get 3 here. 3 4s are 12. So you can write here 21 into 20 minus 4 √3 upon 4 3s are 12. Now multiply these two. 21 into 22. You will get 42 into 42. So 264. 462. 462 minus. When you multiply, this will be 441 √3 by 2. Or you can take the 21 as common from both. So 21, this is 12. So either you can leave it here, आप यहीं पे छोड़ सकते हैं, ये भी आंसर हो जाएगा. So please copy this one. Otherwise जैसे आपको अच्छा लगेगा वैसे आप कर सकते हैं. Okay, got it? I will be sending you the worksheet. Okay, I will be sending you the worksheet regarding to the sectors. Area related to sectors means segments का area निकालने के लिए. And सबसे अच्छा तरीका तो वही है जो मैंने आपको फॉर्मूला लिखवाया डायरेक्ट निकालने का. उसमें बस आपको कुछ करना ही नहीं है. इन टर्म्स ऑफ आर आपको सब कुछ पता है, आप निकालिए, आंसर फाइंड आउट कर लीजिए. तो प्लीज डू दिस वन, देन वी शैल बी मूविंग टू दी अगली क्लास में हम लोग करेंगे उसको. So that's all for today. We'll meet you in the next class. Okay, yes student. Asila and Miraj, we are going to have your extra class tomorrow. Okay, so I will ask the Tanishka sir to arrange an extra class for you. Okay, so that's all for today.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, beta, Tanishka. So you can leave, beta, because yeah, we have it. Okay. So hello, Hamna, Miraj, and how are you?
Fine, sir.
Fine, sir.
What about you?
I'm also fine. So which chapter you like to study today? Should we continue the biology or some other topic? मिराज की चॉइस पूछते हैं आज. मिराज बताओ क्या पढ़ोगे? मिराज?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know. Okay. Okay, let's study. So here we have sec थी. No, ये क्या है? तो उसका हो गया ना. तो चलो हम लोग बायोलॉजी ही पढ़ते हैं, और या फिर हम लोग एक काम करते हैं, उसके अलावा तो कुछ और टॉपिक है नहीं ना पढ़ने का. मोशन we have done this one. Okay, let's study the biology. Wait a minute. In the previous class we were discussing the tissue. पहले मैं मेराज को ना नोट सेंड कर देता हूँ. मैंने नोट्स नहीं सेंड किए ना. Okay, so here we have. So Mehraj, you sent the mail to me or not?
Yes, sir, I have.
What is your mail ID?
jahmednd@gmail.com.
J Ahmed.
Yes, sir, I'll type it in the chat.
That is what? Please spell कीजिए उसको. एक मिनट में सर्च करता हूँ J Ahmed से. Sir, you are typing in the chat. Okay.
Yes, sir.
J. Type it fast. So today we'll be going to discuss the very important part, that is tissue.